gem of Alcala de Guadai in Seville, Spain. Today I want to share with you my experience in the beautiful town of Alcala de Guadai, located in the province of Seville, Spain. From the moment I arrived in this charming town, I felt completely enamored by its charm and beauty. With its stunning landscapes of hills and the Guadai river running through it, Alcala de Guadai is a true hidden gem in the heart of Andalusia. I loved strolling through the narrow cobbled streets of the old town, where you can find beautiful traditional houses, cozy squares, and ancient churches dating back centuries. I was amazed by the amount of history and culture that can be found in every corner of this town, such as the famous castle of Alcala de Guadai that dominates the city. I also had the opportunity to try delicious local food, from the most traditional dishes such as gazpacho, salmorejo, and tortillas de camarones, to the famous sweets such as pestiños and torrijas. But what impressed me most about Alcala de Guadai was its friendly and welcoming people. They were always willing to help and make my stay as comfortable as possible. In short, Alcala de Guadai is a place that I would definitely recommend visiting to anyone looking to immerse themselves in the culture and history of Andalusia. In addition, its location just a few kilometers from Seville makes a perfect getaway for those looking for an authentic experience in Spain. In summary, my experience in Alcala de Guadai has been simply wonderful. I'm grateful to have had the opportunity to visit this beautiful town and meet its friendly and welcoming people. If you have the chance to visit this place, don't hesitate. I assure you that you won't regret it.